time ko gagawa ng erotic. Ito yata yung pinaka-daring and erotic na gagawin ko sa pelikula. And
Ginawa ko po lahat. Binuhos ko lahat ng kaya ko.
It is about love and it is made with love. And
Mysterious.
Ako, sabihin ko na, ang sarap. Dapat masarap.
horror na baliw.
Tasin mo ako.
I want to say it's a really intimate film where it's a very actor-driven film.
Challenge yung isip nung nanonood. Visually satisfying siya.
Different kind of horror story.
Tinatry buhayin yung libong niya. Sexy drama. It's about finding peace and acceptance and freedom.
Story about manipulation and control and yun nga, power dynamics. Ang pull namin is relatability. Kasi at one point, nakanood tayo ng porn at inisip natin kung tayo yung nandun.